Bangladesh Premier League T20 BPL 2024-2025 point table standing update after 20 match. Number 1 Rangpur Riders match 7 won 7 match lost 0 match point 14 net run rate plus 1.542. Number 2 Chittagong Kings match 4 won 3 match lost 1 match point 6 net run rate plus 1.323. Number 3 Fortune Borishal match 5 won 3 match lost 2 match point 6 net run rate plus 0.838. Number 4 Khulna Tigers match 5 won 2 match lost 3 match point 4 net run rate plus 0.130. Number 5 Sylhet Strikers match 6 won 2 match lost 4 match point 4 net run rate minus 1.254. Number 6 Durbar Rajshahi match 6 won 2 match lost 4 match point 4 net run rate minus 2.117. And number 7 Dhaka Capital match 7 won 1 match lost 6 match point 2 net run rate minus 0.097. Which team will be champions? Bangladesh Premier League T20 BPL 2024-2025. Subscribe to our channel to get any sports news update. Thanks for watching.